Hello, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, which is a healthy living journey supported by eating fruits, vegetables, and salads. If you watch my channel, please subscribe, share, comment, and most of all, click the like button. So, from my kitchen today to you, I'm just going to show you how to make a couscous chickpeas salad. Yeah, couscous is a beautiful grain and it is a healthy grain from the Saharan part of Africa. It is eaten a lot in a country like Morocco. So today I'm just going to show you how to do that. So I have here a cup of boiled couscous. I just boiled the couscous with only water, and then I added salt with only one spoon of olive oil. So here it is. I am now going to add chickpeas. Chickpeas are really good protein. So this is a cup of chickpeas that I'm going to add in here. Look at it already. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Yes, it really does smell good. So what else am I gonna add? Yeah, this is celery. I love celery, so I'm going to add the celery. Yeah, I love celery. Celery is also a very good healthy it's a healthy vegetable. So I love the celery here. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm mixing this up. Yes. So what is next? This is, how building up this salad excitement now. Beautiful raisins. I love raisins. Raisins are very good. Yeah. So I'm going to toss it, toss it, toss it, toss it. Yes. Oh my goodness. Voila. No, not yet. Not yet. We're not done. So, this is the time of the season where you can't go wrong with. This is the season for cherry tomatoes. Yeah? Cherry tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes. Oh my goodness. It's the season for them. you. What? You can't go wrong. Now what do I have now? Oh my goodness, bell peppers to give it that color. You know, food is so good when you add color, especially the right colors. Oh my goodness, it just takes it to a whole new level. Yes. Hello. Oh my goodness. So now, there you go. The plot thickens. Now, why? Oh, the dressing. Oh my goodness. I'm just going to drench it. I made my own dressing. Yeah. It is lemon. 1 lemon that I put in there. 4 spoons of olive oil. And 1 spoon of apple cider. You can't go wrong with that, my dear. You can't go wrong with that. Look at us here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah? This is my beautiful couscous salad. Yes, this is a beauty. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. Yes, beautiful couscous salad. Yeah, you can try making this at home. So what I'm going to do is, because it is a lot of it for one sitting as usual, you know, I just love to do this, which will be my lunch. Yes. Easy to make. You can do it at home. Yes. Yes. Here we go. So there you go. Beautiful couscous salad. Yes. I hope you can try this recipe at home. It's really beautiful and very nice and very tasty. Yes. Thank you for watching my channel and thank you for subscribing. May God bless you. Until next time, keep watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.